Hey, are you Bible literate? Let's find out. Okay. First question. Do you read the Bible outside of church sermons? No, you don't? Sorry, you're not Bible literate. Do you read the Bible outside of church sermons? Oh, yes, you do. Okay. How do you read the Bible? You read the Bible rarely? You're not Bible literate. Oh, you read the Bible regularly. Great. Oh, you read a few verses every morning with your coffee? That's cute. But you're not Bible literate. Outside church sermons? Yes. How do you read the Bible? Oh, you read the Bible regularly. Nice. You do devotionals and commentaries about passages of scripture. You still probably aren't actually Bible literate. Okay, so you read the Bible regularly. Oh, nice, and in large chunks. So maybe not every day, but when you do read the Bible, you read large passages and entire narratives. That's great. Except it's not great because rereading Genesis every January as a part of your New Year's, I'm going to start reading the Bible more, but never get past Genesis goal doesn't count. Back to the top. Are you Bible literate? Do you read the Bible outside of church? Yes. How often do you read it? You read it regularly. Great. When you do read it, you read it in large chunks at a time. Now we're rolling. Here's a quick little Bible quiz. In what book do we find, and you are to love those who are foreigners? Oh, you went to seminary and you don't need to take any more Bible quizzes? Take the quiz anyway. But wait, I'm a youth pastor at my local church. Surely I'm Bible literate. I can't. Take the quiz. Okay, in what book do we find, and you are to love those who are your neighbor? You have no idea? You're not Bible literate. Oh, you know it's in the Torah. Nice. What's the Torah? You're not Bible literate. In Deuteronomy, Leviticus. Yay. Okay, so what's the purpose of the David and Goliath story? Oh, I know that. The purpose is to tell us that little people can do big things. No, you learned that from VeggieTales, and you're not Bible literate. Back to the top. What's the purpose of the David and Goliath story? Oh, you know that the purpose is found in 1 Samuel chapter 17, verse 47, and that it's David giving explicit credit to Yahweh and his power for the victory over Goliath, and that it wasn't David that triumphed, but it was Yahweh and his power? Okay, so you might be Bible literate, but are you as Bible fluent as you should be? No, you are not. No. But that's okay, because we're here to help. To learn more about being Bible literate and truly Bible fluent, visit thebiblicalmind.org.